Good morning, guys. It is about 5:30 in the morning on Saturday, and I am actually off to start another pretty cool project. I've partnered up with Hoopies Hot Rods, which is my uncle, Joe. I'll link his YouTube channel in the description below. But him and I have partnered up, and we are off to pick up our next project. So let's do this. All right, let's let this journey begin. Hello.
It is pretty.
Yeah, climbing the hills.
4L80 or 4L60 is.
Not happy.
Let's just hope it doesn't become a 2-speed power glide by the time we get to the top of the hill.
Right. Grief. Top of the hill.
We're up in the clouds.
All right, guys, we're just pulling in here in a second, and here in a few moments you will see the latest project. Stay tuned. Here she is, 52 Ford Custom Line. Load it on the trailer, we'll get it strapped down and head back home.
Cows,
More cows.
Power lines, cows.
All right, made it back and the car's still in the trailer. All right, so like I said earlier, this is a 52 Ford Custom Line that I picked up with my uncle. He's Hoopies Hot Rods. And so if you follow me on Instagram, you'll know that we purchased that 2004 Crown Vic. And so we're going to be taking that Crown Vic and doing similar to what I did with the Hawk. Pull the body off of that, leaving the floor and firewall. And then we're going to do the same to this car, cut the body off of it. And we will be putting that body on that Crown Vic. Wheelbase is the same. We took just a second ago, we took some quick measurements, and it's looking pretty good as far as, you know, where you sit versus the front wheels and firewall, and where the rear wheels are, and also width. So guys, be sure to stay tuned, subscribe so that you can see all the updates of this going on. I'll be sure to link Hoopies Hot Rods YouTube channel in the description below. He's got some pretty interesting stuff on there. He's actually Prius swapped 2 different cars, a Carmen Ghia and a 46 Chevy truck. So I'll link his description down below. You can go check those out. As always, thank you guys for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Have a good day.